Wow, Paris, very strong. Very strong, Paris. Lots of muscles.
Hold on now. Hold on. Hold on yourself. Hold on. I got you.
No, Paris. Celine, can you do that now? Celine, can you do that?
It's got a college grade, guys.
You're a strong girl. So, it is Saturday afternoon. Nood kami ng footage dyan. Oh. Doon pala kami galing. So, yun yung... how do they call that, Bob? The club, yeah? Doon. So, we had something to eat and drink. Tapos, pauwi na kami. We are just walking. Celine, are we just walking? Maulit di ay. Maulit di. Oh, come on. Alright now. We'll keep going because Celine's crying now. Here you go. Here you go. Happy?
I'm going now. Yeah, I know you're showing me, but I'm going to go because Celine's upstairs. I need to clean the car. You need to help me.
Wow! Strong girl. Strong girl. Alam niyo ba? Kagabi ay may lagnat yan siya. She's got cold. Yeah, she wasn't feeling very well. Pero okay na siya ngayon. Oh. I think last night her body was just fighting the virus. Yeah, she's okay. Nak siya, tita, antito your painting, nakbe. Face painting. See, rainbow. Rainbow face painting. Tingnan nyo, oh. Alam niyo ba, this is winter, ha? Sabi ni Paris, it's too hot! Anak, it's too hot! Winter na nga to. Sabi ng daddy niya, paano na lang pag nag-summer, nak? Winter, we're very lucky. Nak, no? What happened, nak?
It's dry now.
Oh, it's still there. It's still there. Pride month pa ba ngayon? So we're gonna start walking home. Kasi meron tayong lakad mamaya. May dinner tayo with the family. And Daddy Mike wants to wash the car. And he wants to go to the gym as well. So that's football. Oh! Nearly. So that is Australian football. Pumunta pala kami kanina dito kasi nagpa-haircut si Daddy Mike, as you can see. Gandang-ganda ang kanyang gupit eh. Diyan lang mo sa corner. Daddy, show me your haircut, babe. Daddy, you wanna say hi to my vlog?
Huh?
Wanna say hi to my vlog?
Hi. Hi from the roofless one.
Cross the road, hold naman nak.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, guys. It's nearly 6 o'clock ng hapon. At ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. Anak ko, tingnan niyo ang ating baby Celine ay hinihila na lahat. Excuse me, my love. Where's your dummy? Hi! Ayan, nabihisan ko na yan siya, guys. Nag-video call sila ng mother dear ko. Ayan. Ma! Say hi to the vlog.
Nag-vlog siya.
Hi to my vlog.
Hey guys!
Ito na. Si mother dear. Si father dear. And
Gwapo na mo. Gwapo.
kamu Jude. Okay.
Tayong hapon ka nandiha.
I'm beautiful Monday. Sa inyong beauty na ako nakuha. Oh, tingnan nyo guys yung mukha. Oh, saan ako nagmana guys? Asa pa? We'll ask the audience pa.
Saan nagmana, guys? Sa mama, sa papa.
Saan ako nagmana, guys? Sa kanya o sa kanya? Please comment in the comment section below para sabihan ko sila. So, ito yung pa-outfit ni Baby Celine tonight, guys. Naka, ano siya, red dress. Diba? Woo! Tapos, merong leggings sa ilalim kasi maginaw. Yes or no? Yes or no ko? Opo, bobo. Actually, kakagising lang ito from her nap, guys. Kaya medyo suki pa siya. Why are you crying? Hindi pa ako makakapag-ready nito, guys, kasi dali niya siya kasi Ate Paris ay nag-shower. What is wrong, man? Oh, no. See? Maglagay lang tayo ng headband and you're good to go.
Ay, pagin yung dress sa Celine na.
Kang Paris pa ni Ma. Paris pa niya. Abot kay Celine. Nakla? Palangka mo na siya mga mga baby. Sana hindi to siya mag-wild mamaya pagdating sa restaurant.
Wala na ko, kananay, karim.
So, pupunta kami ng, ano guys, Malaysian restaurant. 7 o'clock yung aming booking. So, dapat sana 6 o'clock. Tapos, yeah, yung tita ko, may basketball na yung anak niya. So, we move it to 7 o'clock, which is, you know, it works well. Kasi, tinan niyo, mahirapan kami kapag nag-ready nitong dalawa. Especially pag suki-suki. Matatagalan talaga si mama ba? Ow! Hala! Did you just hit mama na? Maldita ka nga bata ka.
Silinta, sorry, silinta.
Bumawi din guys. Gumanon din siya sa kanya. Oh. Ulo. Who's that na ko? Tita. Tita. So magkikita kami guys doon sa restaurant. Mag-dinner kami. Kasi yung tito ko, kakauwi lang niya from the Philippines kaninang umaga. So, nagstay siya doon for 1 month. And then, yeah, kaya nag-dinner kami para magkita-kita kami ulit. Kasi kahit na, alam niyo ba na kahit nandito kami, malapit kami sa isa't isa, no? Hindi kami nakikita. Dahil din kasi, ito may sakit, kung hindi si Ate Paris, ito siya meron. So, wala kaming time talaga na magkita-kita ba. So, first time in a while na magkikita kami ulit ng family ko dito. And yes, very exciting. Very exciting, anak, no? Kamu mama, wag ready na, nak? Hindi to siya uupo na siya lang. Bagong gising kasi guys. Iba talaga kasi kapag bagong gising. Suki-suki pa ikaw. Hey. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go.
A few moments later.
We're here now, guys.
It's not working.
10 minutes left. Yeah, it is working. That's it. Baby Lini. Naka-shoes pa siya, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo, oh. One. Good girl. Okay, show me your outfit, Bebe. Okay, show me your outfit, Ate Paris. Uy. Show me what you're wearing. Aww, cutie. Ayun na ni Mark. Alright. Right here. Ayan. Naghihintay na yun sila doon ba? Hala, sobrang lapit pala nito, guys. Let's see. Oh my God. Again. Hi! Hello. How are you?
What's going on? Congratulations, man. Successful.
Congratulations. Hello. Hello, tita. Hi, my love. Joy, how are you? Remember Tita Joy?
everyone was like going on their
Unlow. Yeah, welcome back to the vlog.
I'm EJ, guys, and I'm single.
Oh, really? Finally. Nice haircut. First time I was seeing you like with that short haircut. So serious.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, I know.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Anthony again. What's your name, Anna? You tickling me. Come, you want to sit down here? And I got Joy.
EJ, say hi.
Joanne. Everyone say hi. Oh my God, it's been a while. Been a while. So we're in Papa Rich.
Oh, that's what Papa Rich. I kept thinking PASALUBONG.
Ayun o. Picture. Tingnan niyo yung pa-outfit ng ating Ate Paris tonight. It's okay, my love. It's okay. Let's go order. Hi, Sadet. Two and then 4. Come here, look.
Hello? Long time no see.
No, it seems like we're far away from each other, huh? Uy, nag-start na pag-gate. Tingnan niyo ang batang ito, yung kuya ko. Maraming tao. Mini girl.
No, I haven't yet.
Have you seen that man?
Asa na, babe? Pakitaan daw ko, ana. Bebe? Ha? Okay.
Wait, what?
Love you, nails.
Thanks.
Beautiful.
Look, they're different.
It's so cool. Is that the same place?
Yeah.
I
Forest
really
Lake.
have to go. Yeah, I really have to go. Very short.
I love how they short because like I honestly want mine to be shorter because mine were like double the length and I always
Yeah.
break them.
Is that your normal natural nails? Yeah.
Are these your natural?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, what's yours?
They're fake.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. They look really.
I won't tell you when they're fake.
Huh? What is that?
Bintang.
What's bintang?
Oh, no.
What's bintang?
EJ, can you get 2 PDO?
Ah.
Indonesian.
Have a look at this. Have a look at the
like the
link.
proper like
She
Aussie
looks
way
like
bintang.
koala. Oh no, Lily. What would you like, Mala? La la. We'll get you bread, the roti. You like that one, no?
Come on. Dude, there's like...
Tingnan niyo, nakabuts ko to guys. So. It's good to see you again, Joy. After a while. Yeah, okay. There's only one pencil, Bob. Yeah. Huh?
Check out the gift.
So they're poor, they don't have other pencils?
Okay.
It's very, very.
Do you want a pencil pen? I can get you a...
Yeah. Ang bata nga idlasan. Starting to smile now. Only Tita Joy.
When you turn the plate.
Dumpling. They got their food now, guys. Ayan, kainan na.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
He's smiling now, Joy.
Yeah, you just gotta work her in, right? Like, let her like...
Ling. What are you having there? Oh, yum. Okra.
Okay, Ra.
That's healthy. Papa Dam?
Here and a peanut.
Yeah, I'll just press it out. Thank you. Already? Yeah, good. Thank you.
Try to be perfect safe.
It's our order. Wala na daw chicken skin. Sayang. Is it yummy?
Try. It's my favorite thing.
That's yummy. Goodness. Ayan na oh. Happy? Beautiful girl. And she's smiling now with Tita Joy. Umalis na yung iba, guys. Jo, I have something for you. It's for your birthday. I know like April we weren't able to. I didn't put any. I just put it in the bag like this.
To get me
No, that's alright. No, I thought like you can use it when for your documents and all that. So.
fancy. Oh, it's so pretty. Bag reveal. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh.
You don't have to get me anything for my birthday.
Your birthday.
I haven't seen this since my birthday.
Yeah. That's why. Yeah, it's been a long time.
Fancy.
Yeah. But no, I thought like it will be good for documents
I
and that.
can wear it to court.
Yeah, that's right. I know. You can win it for sure.
It'll bring good luck. Thank you. Thanks, ate.
Yeah, you're welcome. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner, guys. I don't know what time it is now. Andun na, ang mga cousin. Sila na yung nagbabantay sa aking mga anakis. I'll show you my outfit quickly. Ito yung pa-outfit ni mami niyo for tonight. I really love this one, guys. Sobrang ganda ng kulay nitong jacket na to. This is from Zara, by the way. Ayan, tapos yeah, I love my outfit. Very warm. Looks really, really cute.
We were gonna photobomb you.
Yeah. I was just showing my outfit of the night. Selina's not crying anymore because she warmed up. Abaita. Actually, it's Tito Edgar, guys. So I will ask him, how was your trip in the Philippines? He just got back this morning, yeah?
Yeah, this morning.
Sana all umuwi ng 1 month.
It's totally good. Sometimes good, sometimes not really bad.
That's life. That's life.
Life.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's life.
But yeah, may dinala si Tito Edgar para sa akin, guys. Pinadala ng mama ko ba? So, kunin na. Later na lang. I'm wondering if open pa ka.
That one nandun na yung ipadala sa mama.
Thank you, Tito. Ay, nanapon mi siya. Mahilak lagi na kung ikaw na. Palayas sa Tito Edgar, guys. Nagahilak na si Linog. Kuan. Yeah, right there. Do you wanna we'll go have a look if are they still open?
Yeah, open.
See if they have desserts.
Yeah, they do. They have. They have.
And she feels comfortable with you now. Leanie. Go have a look, Makit. They have dessert snack for us. Let's go, let's go. Dapat pagyapon silang tao ba? Sa buwan, ha? Go have a look. Tanawa, nagpanon sila, guys, ko. Ang laki na aking family. Naghanap nila, good. Bibili sana kami ng kakanin, guys, but they were so busy, so umalis kami. Hindi pa kapagintay ang beauty.
Alis na kami.
Alis na kami. Hana. Okay. Everyone is In there now. Sa car park na sila, Nak ba?
No. Where?
Nak, they forgot about us.
Is he gonna make?
They forgot about us. She looks so sleepy now.
Yeah, they have a very Filipino
At least
nose.
that she's not crying looking at you, Nak. She always do when she looks at Peter and Gar. Yeah. Okay. This is us.
We're home. Downstairs.
Anything happened to your car recently?
It's 10:30 ng gabi. Where are we, Daddy?
Old McDonald's.
Old McDonald's had a farm. Paris having water. Uhaw na uhaw yan siya. Ang ating
Where are we, Paris?
Baby Celine ay sleeping.
McDonald's.
Old McDonald's. So, umorder kami ng pagkain, guys. Parang hindi lang galing sa dinner, no? That is for dessert. Have Coke. Ayan. But 10:30 na, guys. But this McDonald's is not far from our house. So it's very handy. Sa Ate Paris, ay natutulog na nga yan siya, guys. Kaya ginising namin para lang manam ng tubig. Kanina pa yan siya nanghingi ng tubig. Finish it, Nak. Water. Sobrang busy na dito, grabe. Daming tao naka drive-thru. Kaya kami dito naghihintay kami ganyan. Kasi hindi pa full ang aming order. Sobrang busy nila. How's your night, Ali?
Very good. Brutal. Brutal.
It's good to see the family, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Did you have fun, Paris?
Yep.
Yeah, I know.
But I want to go back.
You wanted to go back?
Yeah.
Time check, it is 11:30. Two kids are now in bed. They're asleep. Sa Ate Paris, she was saying, I'm just gonna sleep for 5 minutes, Mommy, and I'm gonna eat. I said, sure, Paris. So, ayun, nakatulog na. Pati si baby Celine natin, like, nasa gising pa kami. Ayan siya, piyong-piyong nga siya. But he's awake. Kasi maglilinis kami ng bahay, guys. Linis ng bahay. And, asan ba yung Coke ko eh? Ito yung binili ko from McDonald's. I've got that one. Anyways, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung pasalubong ko from the Philippines. Galing kay Tito Edgar. So, ito yung plastic bag na may nakapangalan pa talagang may nakapangalan pa talagang Jovi dito. And, alam niyo ba guys, sabi ko kay Tito Edgar, talagang uubusin ko ito tonight. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ito yung palagi kong binibili sa Filipino shop sa Springvale nung nasa Melbourne pa kami. Pastillas. Tataba na naman tayo nito. Do you eat this, Bob? Jerky fries. Haven't had this before. It's been in the Philippines, so I've got ito lang binili ni Tito Edgar namin. Pwede, Jovies. Banana chips. Original. And dried mangoes. And one more is pulburon. My God. Thank you, Tito Edgar, for this. Maraming salamat po. My favorites. Ayun, may ngalan pa talagang Jovi. Make sure na sa akin talaga so, that's that. Ngayon, I'll show you quickly yung mga pinadala. Actually, pinamili ko to siya sa Pilipinas, pero pinadala ko siya sa mama ko. And then, yung mama ko yung nagdala sa tito ko sa city para madala ng tito ko dito. Very thankful kasi pinaglaanan talaga ni Tito Edgar ng space sa kanyang bagahe ba? Kung ating mga kagamitan. Let's see how to open. So, mga damit pala to siya, guys. Pati sapatos. Ito yung napamili ko. Ah, ito pala yung kanyang tela. Tingnan nyo. It's, tweed. Tweed ba to? Pero hindi siya katulad ng quality nung sinuot ko from Zara kanina. But, yung amoy, it's not bad. Ang amoy niya ba parang natagalan na sa aparador. Ayan, binili ko to siya sa online live selling. Kita niyo ba nga yung background? Tulog mo yung background, right? Ganyan. Fits me. Good. And then, another one. Ito parang maganda itong quality nito kaysa nung isa. And Korea design. Ayan. I think I like this one. This is more luxe feels. Yung isa very cheap. Madilim ba, guys? Hala, I think this is nice. Gusto ko na siyang suotin. Oh, this looks really good. I think I'm going to love that one. And then, next one is this. Set ata ito. Yes, set. So, this is a dress. Purple dress. Tapos, meron siyang pa-cardigan. Ayan. Hala, gusto ko silang i-try, guys. But, hirapan man ako sa sitwasyon ko dito, Pakita ko na lang yung mga OOTD ko, guys, kapag sinuot ko sila sa vlog. This is super nice. Sobrang tagal ko na itong nabili online. Pinadala sa mama ko. Tapos, hindi pa nasend sa akin. Then, there's 2 pairs of shoes here. Pre-love pala to sila, guys. Na, ayan. This is Chanel. We'll see if this will fit me. Meron na pala akong ganito, guys. But, reserva. Just in case. It's not bad. It's a little bit big, actually. Malaki siya. And this one is... Oh, this is cute. This is from Louis Vuitton. Na sneakers. I think this is 36. Yeah, 36. Hopefully this fits me. Aw, cutie! Ay, baba mo na ito. Yeah. This is nice. I love this. Yeah, no? Bongga. Ito yung kanyang kaparehas. Yan. Pink yung kulay niya. I don't know if the camera is picking up the color. But pink. Cute. I love this one. Size 36. You know how much I love shoes, guys, and clothes. Alright. Cool. Cool. Malinis pa yung ilalim niya. But yeah, yun na yun, guys. Yun na yung from the Philippines. Alam nyo, hinag ko talaga si Tito Edgar kanina, guys. Excuse na lang ng mukha ni Daddy Mike ka natulog. Hala, maglilinis pa kami ng bahay. Tulog na. Yeah, so I hugged Tito Edgar very tight kanina kasi sabi ko nahag niya yung kasi pumunta si Tito Edgar sa bahay namin sa Pilipinas ba. So nahag niya yung mama ko, nasa picture nila, kaya sabi ko ihag kita Tito Edgar kasi that way parang nahag ko na rin yung mama ko. Miss ko na kaya yung family ko sa Pilipinas, guys. I'm looking forward to go home and go back home and see the family again next year. And yeah. Anyways, i-end ko na yung vlog dito, guys, kasi maglilinis pa kami ni Daddy Mike. Ewan ko, magigising na to. Ako na lang siguro, I'll just put things away. Kasi bukas meron na naman tayong lakad at wala na naman tayong time maglinis. Kaya, yeah. Mas gaganahan ako maglinis ngayon kasi meron akong mga snacks. So kahit na mamaya pa ako makatulog, it's okay. Very comfortable na si mami niyo kasi nakapangtulog na. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. And yeah, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.